So that was Nanoleaf Shapes that works together to make a flexible system and lets you get really creative using different shapes of light panels. Sitting at a desk all day made me feel like a lightning bug trapped inside a Dixie cup, and no quantity of neighborhood stalls could sedate the anxiety of stillness I have struggled with since grade school. Then recently I got my restless hands on the Nanoleaf Shapes smart light system, and the jitterbug within me suddenly felt soothed by the sight of its rhythmic reflection above my desk monitor. At this point, Nanoleaf is pretty well known, if not by name, at least from the geometric shapes in the background of countless YouTube videos. We have all seen them, curiously Googled them up and been shocked at the price tag. But these aren't some cheap assistant compatible smart bulbs. They are wall mounted art pieces with smart home functionality. So are they worth it? If you can stomach the cost, I think so. Although Nanoleaf Shapes smart light panels are great to use on their own, but I think you get a really interesting experience when combining hexagons, triangles and mini triangles. Naturally, when using all three, you have more room to be creative with crafting a custom design, but there is no right or wrong way to use these modular lights, and there are a lot of options based on your taste and budget. Nanoleaf Shapes use rounded edges for the light panels, and I think this provides the best aesthetic, but keep in mind that it means the light doesn't completely fill in the entire area of each panel. Overall, I think the new rounded edge design that comes with Shapes is definitely an improvement. More of the surface area is lit up compared to the previous generation light panels, and I like the visual of the softer rounded edges too. Shapes, hexagons and triangles have 6 connection points on each light panel to firmly connect to each other, and the mini triangles have 3, but unfortunately we do not have mini triangle panels as of now. They easily snap together, and the mounting system itself is well designed and uses a 3M command adhesive that's easy to use and also comes off the wall with a pull without damaging the paint. Now let's talk about some of the features that you will get in these panels. Nanoleaf Shapes supports 16 million colors with different motion and pattern options available in the newly redesigned Nanoleaf app. With Nanoleaf panels, you can create bright, colorful wall art that responds to touch, movement or voice commands. Triangles can all be set to a single color or set to a different color for each panel. Plus, there is an option to select or create a color palette of mixed colors and then have the panel cycle through those colors using various motion settings like burst, fade, wheel, flow and render. With a built-in rhythm module, the shapes can be set to change colors based on the rhythm of the music that's playing with sound-based options. It also comes with a Nanoleaf controller that lets you turn the tiles on and off, adjust the brightness, cycle through some basic light presets and initiate rhythmic music mode. You can perform all these functions remotely using the official apps, and I'm not getting to get too deep into the Nanoleaf app, but it offers an extensive control setup for the shapes. And you can create color palettes and designs, adjust brightness, turn the lights on and off, set schedules and even download light scenes created by other people as well. And the app's Discover section is my favorite option because I don't have to invest the time in creating a scene myself and I'm just looking for a quick color change. I can find a list of popular options, newly created options, or I can search for a specific theme like holidays. Also, Nanoleaf Shapes have Google Home and Apple's HomeKit integration and can be viewed in their respective apps. You can turn the triangles on or off, adjust the brightness or set the lights to a solid color with no motion component. Nanoleaf's goal with the Shapes lineup was to give users the complete design freedom to create their most personal lighting experience yet. After spending some good time with these HomeKit light panels, I think they have accomplished their goal from both a hardware and software perspective. You're getting a really fun and functional light panel system with lots of options thanks to the hexagon, triangles and mini triangles. Then on the software side, you have got lots of customizability from making your own scenes and setups, grabbing scenes from other users as well, and solid HomeKit functionality. To top it all off, you have got about as many ways to control these lights panels as you could ask for, with the added bonus of the touch, gestures, taps, and long presses. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The price for the Nanoleaf Shape kits is objectively a little steep. The cheapest kit comes with just 5 mini triangles, and that's insufficient. The kits you would do best to start with, which comes with either 7 hexagons or larger triangles, are both $200, which is one of the expensive side, and I think you would still need to pick up a few more expansion sets to make a nice setup. Ultimately, value is your call. I don't think anyone can claim with a straight face that the Nanoleaf Shapes are a bargain, but they kind of don't need to be. This isn't just a smart light, it's home decor. Bordering on art piece, if you are worrying about the cost compared to your average RGB smart light, you are shopping in the wrong department. So if you are someone who wants to spice up their living area or their studio, then I'll highly recommend you to try these and you won't regret. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Thank you so much.